Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. I think you came in a perfect time for Somalia with your experience, so we definitely can use that to help us move forward. My question is about the, even though you did talked about the Galmudug Galkayo drone airstrike in the US, and we do have some family members from back home calling us and saying that everyone that was involved were just Somali, the Galmudug Forces troops. And I know there's allegations back and forth, but we would like to see some sort of independent, transparent investigation done. So that's the only thing that I would like to see. And also, if we could just follow up with, with that, if you can just let us know. I'm sure Abdul Rashid is here, but we would like to see some sort of a investigation that, because this is something that we cannot accept. And when we build a relationship and we're bombing people, that's just something that is not acceptable. So thank you.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Ruqayya Muhammad. I used to be a former Minnesotan, but I have worked and lived in Somalia for the past 4 years now. I have a comment and then I guess a question, and it also addresses my friend Hirsi's concern in regards to Galkayo. It's really great that we have such a diversity of perspective, because I have a different perspective in terms of that incident, and that would also direct me back to security. In terms of Galkayo, in the information that I received from the local community was that, as far as they know, these men were not recognized to be part of the government troops in Galmudug, and that they were actually, in fact, terrorist organization, Al-Shabaab, and they were in fact trying to attack a military base that works with the US advisors. There's no US troops in that area. There's US advisors that help train an existing security apparatus since 2002. And so to my perspective, those were Al-Shabaab, and there was no reason to doubt that that's actually an issue. So that's my comment from that. And actually that takes me back to, you talked about security sector and the issue of security, and how after 9 years, the government still has issue in terms of not being able to train and obtain capable security officers around the country. But I do see really good examples of small counterterrorism that has been trained, including Danam in the south and the PSF in the north. And they retain their staff, they pay their staff, their soldiers, and they're accountable to some kind of system. So I wonder if the US has supported many years these kind of organizations, these kind of security apparatus, can they not sort of duplicate that into the larger brand of the security apparatus? So that's, I guess, my question and comment. Thank you.